Hello again and welcome to Tips and Tricks for May 2022. This month we're going to learn how to clean up files at startup.
Every now and then you might experience a corrupt file, something that comes from outside sources, operating systems, um, antivirus software, but there's a lot of DAT files, control files, and master files that could become possibly corrupt within the unformed software. You may be experiencing hung jobs or lags and printing, and it's not obvious to the user as to what the error is. Well, this will be how to set a config setting in the INI file to help attempt to rebuild those control files that could possibly get corrupt. So the config setting is going to be a rebuild equals 1. So in order to do that, we are going to go over to the unformed server directory, and we're going to find the UF 100D or 90D.ini. So we open that up for editing, and in the default section, which is at the top, you should have a line that is set to rebuild equals 0. And let's find on that so we can eyeball it. There it is. It's right in front of me. So rebuild is set to 0. If that line's not there, you can go ahead and add it, but we are going to change this value to 1. We're going to save that. In order for this to actually execute, we are going to need to restart the unformed service. So you can do that a couple different ways. You can do that here, or you could go, say, on a Windows box and actually restart the service here. Another good practice when you're restarting the service is to go ahead and check Task Manager. And if you stop the service, make sure that there are no additional UF100D processes running out there. And you want to kill those off as well. Once you restart the service, what's going to happen is that's going to cause a repair function on those control and master files. And then now that you have that config setting set, that repair is now going to occur every time unformed is restarted. So that's a good practice to try and put into place whenever you feel like you may have a corrupt file. It is the rebuild equals 1.
My name is Dan Schmidt. If you have any questions about tips and tricks or ideas for future tips and tricks, please email dans@synergetic-data.com. For unformed tips or tricks, thank you very much. Hope to see you next month.